In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to hosting your website builder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to display Google reviews on your hosting your website. Even though you can do this, you will have to use an external service because the platform does not have a built-in feature that allows you to import the Google reviews. So for this video, I'm going to be showcasing how to do this with Common Ninja, which offers a Google review widgets with various layout and customization features, but you can also use SociableKit or Elfsight. There are plenty of services available out there. You simply have to choose one that offers the Google Reviews widget like Common Ninja. So if you go with Common Ninja, visit the website, create an account if you haven't already, and within the widgets you will find Google Reviews. Now choose the option to create a Google Reviews widget. You will be transported to this page where you can create your very own Google Reviews widget. In here, first, search for your business. So you will search for your business and plenty of options are going to appear. You will see the address displayed, the name of the business, and so on. So double check to see if you are selecting your particular business that you want to display within the reviews. Once you find a specific one and select it, all of the reviews will appear on the right side, so you can preview them. So you can pin specific ones to the top, you can favorite them, you can unpublish them. If you don't want to show a particular review, you can give them different tags, categorize them however you prefer, and all of the tools will be available. You can choose different filters. For example, if you want to filter with a minimum rating, you can show reviews that are older than a specific date or a specific time, and you can exclude them or include them using keywords. You can also customize the look, and all that you have to do after this is to save the changes. It will appear on your profile, and you choose the option to add the site, add to site. So within your widgets on your profile, you will find it here. Choose add to site, and you will be given the embed code. Copy this code, and you will have to paste it within the hosting your website builder. So add a new element on your website, choose embed code, and position it where you would like the reviews to appear, usually on the front page. Now paste the embed code that you copied, and all of the reviews are going to appear visually on your hosting your website. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Google reviews to hosting your website builder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.